Hey guys, in this video I'll show you best IQ option script special for you. And if you not join my Telegram channel, please join my Telegram channel for next update and next script. Okay. And if you download this script, link in my description box, simply click and download it. Okay. And if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel for next video update. Okay. And if you not join best binary option broker, link in my description box, simply click and sign up, start forex and binary trading. Okay, as you can see, I have placed trade on $100 with higher option and script signal by higher option. I have placed it here for 1 minute. Okay, 5 4 3 2 1 and boom. Okay, I have won this trade. Script signal by up and market going up. Okay, simple strategy. And here is a down. Okay, I have not enough balance. $100 trade. Oh shit, very late entry. Very late entry. Okay. 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 Shit, man. I have placed trade very lately. Okay. Okay. Let's see the result. No problem. If I lose this trade, I have covered this loss. Okay. Oh man, market going up and script signal by up because market is rejection point is here. Okay. Okay, no problem. I have lose this trade. No problem, no problem. I have placed 2 trade on higher option. Let's see. And you can see the market trend is up. Okay, and our trend line is here is a okay, and here is a good rejection. Okay. Okay, market going up. Okay. Okay, good signal, but here is a rejection point. Let's see. Here is a rejection point. Okay, 9 7 6 5. Oh man, 2 1. Oh shit, rejection here. Okay, no problem. Okay, I have placed it on $1,000. Okay, I have placed full amount rate. Okay, on higher option because market signal by up. And here is a some rejection point here. Okay, and this is a red green pattern. Okay, red green, red green. Okay, very simple strategy, but okay. Okay, oh man, place up, place up, place up. Oh, 2 1 and boom. Okay, I have won this trade. As you can see, if you have some trading knowledge, you have win this. If lose, no problem. If some trading knowledge, you have covered this loss. Okay. Okay, I have gone with higher, but lately. Okay, no problem. Very late entry. No problem. Okay. 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 Okay, man. Okay. 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 9 7 6 5 4. Please up. Please up. Oh man, please. Market going up.